weeks after he was removed as the Aam Aadmi Party's deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha, Raghav Chadha has now announced that he, not just him, 6 other AAP MPs in the Rajya Sabha have decided to merge the party with the BJP. Simply put, Aam Aadmi Party MPs, 7 of them in the Rajya Sabha, have said goodbye to Arvind Kejriwal and have decided to join the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party has now called it to be Operation Kamal or Operation Lotus, a conspiracy by the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party, who has also labelled these rebels to be traitors, saying that we got you from Sadak Se to Sansad Tak and this is how you repay us. But the signs were very clear that Raghav Chadha, there was a lot of anticipation that will head to the BJP and ahead of the Punjab elections that are expected next year. But however, him taking along other MPs of the Aam Aadmi Party, well, that seems to be a setback that has now come in. Because this is a major blow to Arvind Kejriwal, who has been unable to keep his flock together. And this is also coming at a time when the Aam Aadmi Party only forms the government in one state, and that is of Punjab. And as far as the equation there is concerned, Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann seems to be amply aware now of what could happen. Because while Sandeep Pathak, also said to be a very close associate of Arvind Kejriwal, Ashok Mittal, interestingly, Ashok Mittal was the one who had replaced Raghav Chadha. And as far as it was his residence that Arvind Kejriwal was residing in, so all 3 of them went to meet BJP chief and the national president Nitin Nabeen at the party headquarters. They exchanged hugs, they exchanged handshakes, then there was also sweets that was exchanged. But let's tell you exactly when it comes to this political coup that Raghav Chadha has managed to pull off. Now, will 7 of these MPs are now said to be part of joining the BJP, but they will still remain MPs. We'll get you that explainer as well. Leading the pack, Raghav Chadha, Ashok Mittal, Sandeep Pathak, Harbhajan Singh, Turbinator, Swati Maliwal already in the crosshairs as far as with the Aam Aadmi Party chief is concerned, Rajinder Gupta and Vikramjit Singh Sahani. Now, all of them have decided when it comes to this big coup is concerned, because they actually form the 2/3 of the Aam Aadmi Party's representation in Parliament in Rajya Sabha when we speak. And interestingly, out of these 7, 6 of them are the ones who come from Punjab. Now, why it is important? Because Raghav Chadha, who was accused by the Aam Aadmi Party recently of doing soft PR and not raising real issues that concern the Aam Aadmi, but when he decided to quit the party, Raghav Chadha came out to say that he is the right man. He has given so many years of his life associated with the party, which he believes has deviated from its principles.
जिस आम आदमी पार्टी को मैंने अपने खून और पसीने से सींचा और अपनी जवानी के 15 साल दिए, वो आम आदमी पार्टी आज पूरी तरीके से अपने सिद्धांतों से, अपने मूल्यों से, अपने कोर मॉरल और वैल्यूज से भटक चुकी है। और अब ये पार्टी देश के लिए नहीं, देश के हित के लिए नहीं, बल्कि अपने पर्सनल फायदे के लिए काम कर रही है। आप में से कई लोग पिछले कुछ सालों से मुझे ये कह भी रहे थे, और मैं पर्सनली पिछले कुछ सालों से ये महसूस कर रहा था that I am the right man in the wrong party. हमने ये डिसाइड किया that we, the 2/3 members of parliament of the belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha, exercise the provisions of the Constitution of India and merge ourselves with the BJP. हम BJP में विलय करते हैं।
10 साल से इस पार्टी से मैं जुड़ा रहा और आज मैं आम आदमी पार्टी से अपने रास्ते अलग कर रहा हूं। मेरे पास 3 रास्ते थे। पहला, इसी पार्टी में काम करते हुए आगे बढ़ना, दूसरा राजनीति छोड़ देना, और तीसरा किसी अलग पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म में जाकर देश की सेवा कंटिन्यू करना।
Now, speaking of the retorts and the comebacks that are coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party side, let's talk about their sole Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann of Punjab. Because he too seems to be taking a dig at the 7 rebel MPs, and he's now made a vegetable analogy to mock them. Let's put out exactly when it comes to the spice jibe that has been taken up by Bhagwant Mann from Punjabi. We've just translated that to English, saying that ginger, garlic, cumin, fenugreek powder, red chili, black pepper, kali mirch, coriander, all of these 7 things together make a vegetable taste great, but on their own, they can't actually become a vegetable. So what exactly he seems to be asserting, saying that the AAP MPs who defected to the BJP, including Raghav Chadha, to those spices that actually enhance the dish, but saying that individually they cannot become the vegetable, asserting that no individual Dev is now coming from Bhagwant Mann because he seems to be very aware of what could happen next, because he says that the party is united, the party is intact.
Well, yes, the sense that BJP gave right now at the press conference, where they said that right now even Bhagwant Mann is somewhere surprised because he was cornered and he was really particularly plagued by 3-4 people. You know, Satinder Jain, Sanjay Singh, you know, the former deputy CM, Arvind Kejriwal himself. So he said that he was kind of cornered and the Punjab CM was in a helpless position. So he said that eventually Punjab also will be lost. This is the only surviving state which Aam Aadmi Party has at this point in time, and Bhagwant Mann sooner or later, in fact in the next few months to come, as we know, next year the elections are scheduled and are due for Punjab, where Bhagwant Mann is not likely to remain the chief minister as well. So this is an indication that Parvesh Verma gave and a certain sense reflecting that nothing is good within the AAP camp, be it in Delhi or in Punjab. In fact, yesterday also, after Raghav Chadha and 6 other MPs ended up joining the BJP, at that point in time also this sort of remark was made. As you know, the things are not good within the camp at this point in time, especially after Raghav Chadha left. This is going to pose a severe concern, and in fact Arvind Kejriwal even met a few Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well. They went into a huddle, and for nearly 1 hour a meeting yesterday took place, and it was held in sometime in the evening hours. So these kind of details, however, while Bhagwant Mann might seem to project a very confident face that he is remaining entirely unaffected by this episode, given the constant jibes that are being taken at him.
But
or
that
Arvind
seems to be
Kejriwal.
what the Aam Aadmi Party will eventually have to do, is to keep the flock together, because the warning signs that have been coming in is actually from within the Aam Aadmi Party, which they failed to look upon. Now, as Dev continues to be with us, as we talk about the warning signs, it seems that one of the parties which had previously supported the Aam Aadmi Party is the Congress Party, and they too seems to be issuing a warning that keep your flock together, else Operation Lotus on part of the BJP will work on other of your AAP leaders as well, who may also jump ship. This is a warning coming in from the Congress's side.
Operation Kamala, as we call it in Karnataka, is always running 24/7 with BJP. They can never get a majority without those kind of tactics. These dirty tricks has been mastered by BJP in Karnataka and is being implemented throughout the country by Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Modi.
आम आदमी पार्टी सुचेत रहे, ऐसा ना हो कि आपके 50 विधायक एक दिन में ही बदल जाएं, ये तो सांसद गए हैं.
In the meantime, let's get you a breaking update through sources. What we are learning, that the party, which is the Aam Aadmi Party, will be filing a petition with the Rajya Sabha Secretariat by this evening. And this petition will be filed against those MPs who have left the party to join the BJP. Now, according to the party, Raghav Chadha and other MPs cannot merge the party with the BJP, and the Aam Aadmi Party, meanwhile, has sought legal counsel and will be approaching the courts if necessary. So ready to take the legal battle there. As far as what exactly does the Constitution say, and if any law that is something which is being defined, because mainly what is the requirements? The requirement is actually for a 2/3 majority for the merger of a party into another one is concerned. But what is being said that Raghav Chadha and others will still continue to be the parliamentarians. So they have safeguarded as far as the seat is concerned, but they have cleverly woven this way, following when it comes to the constitutional norms. So Dev, what is the backup plan? What is the Aam Aadmi Party now planning to do to contest this?
Well, the Aam Aadmi Party is also worst case scenario expected to approach the court for help, stating the fact that this has been done in an illegal and an unconstitutional manner. But before approaching the courts, they're expected to approach the Rajya Sabha with an official complaint letter citing that this cannot be allowed and this merger is not something that they should be doing at this point in time, like I said, as it qualifies as unconstitutional. In fact, before today evening or maximum by today evening, the Rajya Sabha chairman is going to be given a letter with an official complaint citing the wrongdoings that has been done by Raghav Chadha and the other 6 MPs who joined the BJP yesterday. So, however, in connection with this, while the Rajya Sabha chairman may or may not take a cognizance, and what action he takes is for later days and later hours to come and decide, but in the meantime, if they do not enjoy the kind of support, or if, nothing really goes in their favor, they're also ready to approach the court and take a legal route seeking an intervention in this matter.
So let me take up that question with Pulkit as well. बने रहिए हमारे साथ देव. Pulkit, क्या जानकारी मिल रही है आप आदमी पार्टी के सूत्रों के हिसाब से, किस तरीके से अब वो अप्रोच करेंगे? क्या ये बैटल जो है, क्या ये जो लड़ाई है अब कोर्ट्स तक जाएगी?
देखिए, अगर सबसे पहली कोशिश ये होगी, हालांकि संजय सिंह ने इसे लेकर थोड़ा सा इशारा कल भी दिया था ट्वीट के जरिए, और अभी थोड़ी देर में संजय सिंह की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी शुरू होने वाली है. राज्यसभा सचिवालय में ये शिकायत की जाएगी कि इन सांसदों ने पार्टी को छोड़ दिया है, तो ऐसे में इनकी जो राज्यसभा की सदस्यता है वो खत्म की जाए. और इसे लेकर संजय सिंह और कुछ पार्टी के सूत्र ये दावा कर रहे हैं कि इस तरीके से कुछ सांसदों के साथ पार्टी को छोड़कर एक दूसरी बीजेपी को ज्वाइन नहीं किया जा सकता, और अभी तक सातों के सातों सांसदों की तरफ से लेटर भी नहीं आया. तो पार्टी का पहला रुख राज्यसभा सचिवालय में शिकायत करना होगा, और अगर उन्हें वहां से राहत नहीं मिलती है तो इसे लेकर आम आदमी पार्टी कोर्ट भी जा सकती है.
जी, तो what is being said that the Aam Aadmi Party is expected to cite the Supreme Court order on defection rules, and the party has been claiming that Raghav Chadha and other MPs cannot join the BJP even after forming a separate group, rather that they are liable to lose their membership and also their seat in the parliament. धन्यवाद आपका पुलकित और देव हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. That's a big story. We are tracking a lot of developments also taking place, and we are standing by for the Aam Aadmi Party press briefing as well. In the meantime, we head into a short break.